Test, 1, 2, 3. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions, and we are live streaming the unemployment report. So non-farm payrolls, unemployment report, average work week. These 5 different reports get released in 4 minutes. So 8:30 a.m. Eastern time, 6:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. You guys absolutely killed it in yesterday's video. So definitely didn't feel the best to have to wake up, but glad we're able to do it though. So hope that we earn your thumbs up on this video. It looks like we got QQQ kind of trading sideways, but a little bit more in the red. We have SQQQ going up. So remember, SQQQ is a bear ETF. It goes up when the NASDAQ market drops. So if we begin to see the NASDAQ market drop, this could be, an outlet. And then there's QQQ, which when this goes up, so does TQs, right? So this is the bull ETF. What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. Hope that you guys are all doing well. Just make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel if you guys want to participate in that live chat. All you need to do is subscribe. So, alrighty. What's going on, Bradley? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Good morning. In LA, it's 5:27 a.m., right? It's an early one for you. Okay. So let's see which way we are going to go. The expectation very quickly for non-farm payrolls is 200K. Prior is 261, and then prior is 233. So they are expecting it to go down. Remember, if it goes down more than expected, that's probably going to be a positive reaction from the overall market. We average hourly earnings. We expect it to increase by 0.3, right? Last increase was 0.4. So again, same thing there. We got unemployment rate currently at 3.7. Being able to see that unemployment has increased would probably be a good thing. Last was 3.7. Expectation is 3.7. So let's see. Again, if unemployment is higher, that will probably cause the market to react in a positive way, right? The Federal Reserve wants the economy to feel the pressure with this higher unemployment. So it's like a backwards way of thinking, but it is what it is, right? They're raising interest rates. They want the economy to feel the pressure. A way that the economy is feeling the pressure is if more people are unemployed. So they have a goal for next year of 2023 to be somewhere around 4.1 to around 4.3%. So just take that into consideration. So I appreciate most of you guys. I appreciate you guys waking up early enough to join us for this live session. So we have 1 minute. The market will react. One of the things that we always talk about is if you can't tolerate the movement that's about to happen, then you can stay cash, you can reduce your position size, but do something now or forever hold your peace. So let's see which way we end up going. All right, any second now. Make sure you guys drop a thumbs up and make sure that you guys subscribe. Here we go. Should see the market react, and then we'll talk about what was actually reported. Sometimes people ask me, why don't you see what is reported and then watch the market's reaction? Because I can at the end of the day, it only matters what the market and how the market reacts, right? Here it goes, 629. Again, we are down 0.22% for the NASDAQ market. Huge drop. Look at that, 291, down 1%, down 1.3%. Wait. Huge drop, 1.5%. Big push for SQQQ. That is not a good sign. So, not a good sign for, how do I say this? For the unemployment report. This probably means that unemployment came in lower than expected. So, waiting for this thing to refresh. So, non-farms was 263. A lot higher than expected, 5.5%. Huge push. Look at this. Wow. SQQQ rising, NASDAQ market dropping. NASDAQ market down 2% during that pre-market session. Instant reaction. So let's see My thing still doesn't show up. So are we at 3.7%? I would have thought with that reaction that we would have came in a lot higher, right? That is as expected, 3.7%. So thank you for your time and for helping new people. I'll give you a lot of credit. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. All right. That is a big pullback. Already down 2%. SQQQ is up 6% on the day. We'll see if that momentum continues. Remember, any reaction can be viewed as an overreaction in the stock market, and mine has still not moved. So there it goes. It looks like as of now, it shows that we are peaking. Let's see if that momentum continues. Just want to make sure that I pull it up for you guys here. Before we close out the live, right? So just wanted to live stream this for you guys. You guys killed it. I asked you guys to drop a like if you guys wanted me to go live, and it looked like enough of you guys wanted to. So watching at the gym, multitasking, I like that. Mr. Moose, anybody in pre-market? Payroll came in higher than expected. Appreciate the live. Thank you. Thank you. All right, there goes. New highs, 6.7%, touching 7% on the day for SQQQ. Here it goes. Non-farm payrolls coming in at 263K. Expected was 200K. That's going to be the big discrepancy. So non-farm payrolls and non-farm private payrolls came in much hotter than expected. We had the expectation of our average hourly earnings. It was expected to be 0.3%. Actually came in a lot higher than expected. It's not a good thing. Unemployment report came in as expected at 3.7%. Just like the prior 3.7%. That's what I thought to be the most important, but it looks like these were just so off that it was not good. The only thing that looks to be positive is the average work week has gone down from expected 34.5 to now 34.4. So higher highs are forming. SQQQ is rising 7.5% on the day. During that pre-market session, and we'll see if it continues to rally. It looks like it's literally trying to cover the gap that it filled or got filled from the speech, right? We know that when Jerome Powell spoke, it was a very significant topic of unemployment and what the unemployment rate is. It's crazy to see. It makes no sense. Yeah, it does. Do you know what doesn't make sense? We have non-farm payrolls that came in so much higher than expected. That's not a good thing, right? We want the economy to feel the pressure. And if we see that they're actually not lowering, that they're actually increasing, that is not a good thing, right? We've talked about this so many times. So that should not be a surprise that if something comes in higher than expected, that the market actually drops. It's very common sense as of right now. 3 stages of a reversal. Yes, normally Sinclair, but one of the things that you want to take into consideration is that there's so much momentum and this news is so relevant that this thing could continue to rally. Yes, of course, it could pull on back, but you never want to get into something that's aggressively pumping because direction's not in your favor, right? This would be a super risky short or a super risky reversal trade when there's no confirmation of this thing actually pulling back. So Wicked, thank you for showing up. You are a legend. Pain is gain, homeboy. I like that. So expect unemployment rate to go up after February. I just hired 5 employees. I like that guy. Gabriel, congratulations on the expansion of your business. So we want to see people on unemployment. Yeah, I mean, we want to see higher unemployment, right? It's not we, it's the Federal Reserve. It's not, I do not care, right? It has nothing to do with me, but it's all about expectation, and market wants unemployment to be higher, but the only thing that came in higher is non-farm payrolls, and that's not a good thing. So we're still holding up here. It looks like it is beginning to slow down. If you wanted to trade this during the pre-market session, I mean, if anything, right, if you got in and you're shorting the market and this, you're up on this position, I would just follow at a distance, right? If there's a break-of pattern, you're going to have to lock in profits with the limit order because there's no such thing as a stop loss or a stop limit during the extended hours. So please make sure that you take that into consideration. Okay? All right. So as of right now, it's still holding up. The change of direction would be, it breaks below something like 43.70 and it begins to give back what it gained, right? At that point, okay, you want to do something about being able to lock in your profits. But as of right now, there's a thing called, or a concept called, of letting your winners run, right? There's no break of pattern. It's pulling back or it's consolidating a little bit, but there's no break of pattern, right? It's still trying to make higher highs and higher lows. And who knows? It's starting at 7% so far pre-market. It could hit 10%. It could hit 12%, right? It could still continue to rally. So the idea of following at a distance normally is with like a stop loss or a trailing stop loss, but you can't do that during the pre-market session. So you just have to hold yourself accountable and follow with, a limit order that if it breaks below a specific price point, you will automatically get out. So always a pleasure to listen to you, Ricky. See you around. Sounds good. So thank you for introducing me to Ricky. Appreciate that, guys. It looks like we got some extra nice people today, and it does look like it is beginning to struggle and showing signs of higher highs. But we'll see, right? So I'll keep you guys up to date. If you're part of our Learn Plan Profit group, I'll see you in right under an hour. We're going to be going live right at market open. If you're not part of our LPP group just yet, the second link in the description of this video is our LPP team, and it's $150 off. So if you want to take advantage of that sale, it's the second link in the description, and you can watch me trade live as soon as this morning at market open. So again, it's a one-time payment, lifetime access. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram, and everything is linked in the description. Appreciate your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.